Friday, my friends. I have been so excited reading the comments and seeing that several of you have been getting hired to these work from home jobs that I have been posting lately. It seems that sometimes the interview process can be long, taking 2 to 3 months sometimes, and having multiple interviews. But at the end of all that, it is so satisfying that my viewers and subscribers are getting hired and are making that transition to their best work-life balance, being able to work from home. I am so excited that the job leads I am bringing to you are actually being helpful to someone. With that being said, since the July 4th holiday, I have been browsing the internet nonstop, and it seems to be slim pickings here for the summer vacation time period. I am hoping that things will ramp up and new job leads will come available very, very soon as we get back into August and the back to school time. But before we start the weekend, I wanted to bring you yet another job lead. This one is for anyone. They are hiring worldwide, so this one is not only for my United States folks or Canada folks, but it is also for my folks in India or Nigeria or wherever you are. This company is hiring worldwide. It is the company FormStack, and they are hiring a customer support specialist. They are looking for someone to be the first line of communication for their current, future, and previous customers. They are really looking for someone to manage the support channels and the tickets. It does say in between tickets, you'll be asked to provide assistance to their internal customers via Slack or Zoom sometimes. There will be occasional phone work. It says that you'll learn the ins and outs of their solution suite and advanced integration platforms so that you can be the primary person for incoming support requests via email, chat, or scheduled phone support. So you will not be answering incoming phone calls, but it looks like if you cannot help them via email or chat, that you may have to schedule a time to pick up the phone and call them. Some things just need explaining via verbally. It does say you'll work in a fast-paced environment. You'll create written and video documentation and keep those up to date. You'll have to create ways to solve new customer issues, and you'll handle escalated support tickets. Now, they do not require a college degree, but they are looking for someone who has a little bit of technical knowledge, someone who has previously worked with Salesforce or some kind of tech setup, at least 1 year of customer service skills. They need someone who can type 50 words a minute, who can work with minimal oversight, and someone who has good time management skills and is willing to learn. Now, it does say you get bonus points if you already know ticketing platforms such as Zendesk, but that is not required. Now, the salary range for this position says it is $50,000 to $55,000 per year in US dollars. It does state this is a remote position. And it does not mention anything about benefits if you are outside of the United States or Canada, but for those of you in the United States or Canada, they do have benefits listed, including paid time off, 401k, and company health plans. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And as always, feel free to leave anything specific you are looking for in the comments, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.